hate to burst your bubble, bitch. I'm that weird girl, let's run this shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to episode 2. If you're interested in knowing more about how I got this look, stay tuned. So I first started off by spritzing my hair with water, making sure that my hair was extra wet, and also putting Eco Styler gel onto my hair so that way I can manipulate my hair better. I also gave myself 2 ponytails, that way that it was easier for me to put my hair all up at once, because for some reason it just looks bulky when I put it all in one at once. Once my hair is up in a bun, I then take my silk scarf and wrap it around my head so that way it can mold. I then begin to braid the hair onto my head. Well, yeah, you can say onto my head, and make it into a loose braid so that way when I do put it onto my bun, it's easier to manipulate. So I went off camera and decided to take out pieces from the braid to curl with the Flexi-rods, because without that, it would not be a goddess braid. Then you're going to want to take some pins and pin the top of the hair onto your bun so that way it's secure. So forgive me because I also did this off camera, but you're going to want to take those pieces of hair that you wrapped in Flexi-rods and dip them into hot water. And you're going to want to be careful because the hot water I used burned me. But yes, you're going to want to curl it, and I'm just taking the hair and wrapping it around because it was too long for me. But you can do whatever you want because it's your braid. It doesn't have to necessarily look like mine's. I went ahead and put these gold pieces that I got from the beauty supply store onto the braid just to give it a little oomph, and that's how I got this look. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next Tuesday. Bye.